How many of you all are as excited as I am about this new AI on Stitch Fix? So today we're gonna have some fun and play around with the AI on Stitch Fix. So I have two looks that they have created and I'm just gonna try to replicate them. Now some of them are items from Stitch Fix and some are items that I already have to try to recreate that look. So today I have two different looks that I just fell in love with and wanted to try to recreate on my own and see if it looks very similar to the images. So let's get started. So on one side, I'm gonna have the AI image from Stitch Fix, and then I'm going to show you the outfit that I put together to help recreate the AI image. And I also want to hear your thoughts on what you think. If you think the AI image is kind of similar, I have, I think, 12 different images now, or maybe even 15 different images, because they give you 3 each week. And I feel like I give feedback every week. You can tell whether you feel like your hair is accurate, your body weight's accurate, and everything's inaccurate. And I felt like the second image that they did was pretty spot on, but I felt like the more input that I was giving them, the worse the images were looking instead of getting better. And I'm really liking the styles that they're sending. I'm also requesting those in my fixes, but sometimes they're just not able to give them to me. So some of these pieces are gonna be from the freestyle, and I'll link them down below if you see anything that you like. But I do love the AI because you can see the image, and if there's certain pieces that you like from it, then you can just shop right from the bottom of that, which I really do love, and I like giving the feedback of it. So I do really get excited every Thursday when they send me a new one, but last week they didn't send it to me until Friday. So I'm really anxious to see what my new ones are every single week, and so I have 2 different ones that I'm sharing with you. I hope I'm scooted over enough where you can see this side-by-side comparison. The necklace, the jacket, the top, and the pants all are from Stitch Fix. They're the exact items that are in that picture. The only thing that I changed out was the boots. So the boots that they have showing are like the taller shaft boot. I don't really wear those very often because my calves are a little bit bigger, so it's really hard for me to get a pair that are comfortable to wear for a long period of time. Plus, I knew these were a wider leg and had a lot of material at the bottom, so I didn't know about bunching all that into a taller boot, how that was gonna look, so I just decided to change out the boots. But everything else you're seeing in the picture. So let's just go by piece. So I feel like this necklace is not correct. The necklace in the picture shows it to be a little bit longer, which I like. I like how it has that longer layered look. This is definitely shorter, and I have it on the longest setting that there is. So I think that the necklace is a miss on how well it's represented in the picture. But this jacket, I love this jacket. So this is one that has that stretch panel on the side, which is really nice. And then you have like the little sweater knit look, like the Veronica Beard jackets. And this is that faux leather, so nice and stretchy. And then I've got a CECE top on under this. I'll show it to you in a minute. And then these are from Kut From The Kloth, and they are that denim coated material in this wine color, which is super pretty. I love this whole look. This really is kind of my personality. I love the little bit of edginess from the leather jacket. And then, so I just paired it with some more of an ankle style booty in a black, and I know that the color that they had on the picture is a little bit more of a dark brown, and those boots were like $200. That was another reason that I didn't get those, but I really think I like this whole look together, and I think that it's pretty similar to what you're seeing, like as far as how it looks on. Let me take the jacket off just so you can like kind of see the top that I have layered under it. But I did purchase 4 of the items from Stitch Fix that are on this picture. So the only thing that I basically changed out was the footwear. And I do like the way that these look a little bit better than the higher boots. So now you can kind of see the top. I love this top as well. It's got really pretty embroidery on the sleeves and not quite a long sleeve. So I think that this is a pretty look without the jacket as well. But definitely love this whole look together. So definitely a keeper. This is something that I'm kind of excited to start exploring. I will probably take the necklace back though. So I definitely should have tried this stuff on before I decided I was gonna recreate this. I really loved this whole look. I thought it was a really good look. So I did purchase the jacket that is on there, the top that's on there, and that's it. So I used some trouser jeans that I already owned from Wit and Wisdom that I had picked up from the Nordstrom anniversary sale this year. And then I have these Western kind of inspired boots that I already own that I feel like is a very similar color to the boots that are in there. So I did not purchase the boots either. But the jacket, I love this jacket. It's a faux suede. It's by Bagatelle or Bagatelle. I never know how to pronounce that one. And I love it. Now it does have like a belt. You can detach the belt. It's a really nice length. It feels good. It's super soft, and I love the color of this. Now, this is the top that was under it. This is from Petal Pup, And I got this in a medium, which, you know, I would think is true to size. So look how it fits in the picture. I cannot button this, you guys. It will not button over my chest. Do you see how it won't even meet? Like, I feel like this is fitting me like an extra small, not a medium, for sure. I think if I even size it to an extra large, I will not get it to button. I mean, like, it will not button over the chest area at all. And it's kind of tight in the waist too, so I don't know if these run small. This feels like it has like a linen material. It has no stretch in it at all, but I could not get this buttoned. So I love the look, how it had the white linen under it, but just because I had not tried this on before I was trying to do this video, I did not know this didn't fit, so I just pulled on a ribbed tank to put under it. That's kind of similar. I mean, it's a little bit more beigey than this ivory color, but this is a cute top if it would just fit. It's really a cute layering piece or something that you could wear in the summertime by itself. It's actually on clearance, I think, for $16, so I don't think I can find my size, but I liked the concept of the look. But I do like this jacket. I think it's really great. I did just change out the jeans for some that I already own because those look like they're like a darker wash, more of a wide leg trouser style. So I do have my Wit Wisdom that I thought were pretty similar to it. And then the boots. I thought the boots were a pretty similar color as well. And I think that the boots and the jacket kind of look good together. Definitely, I thought that was a cute look, so I kind of failed. I thought the first look was pretty similar, and I think this is a fail just because of the size. Let me know what you guys think about this one here. I think there's one that resembled me a little bit better than the other one. One made me look young, one made me look older. I mean, it's just so fun to get these every week. Are you enjoying these as much as I am? So let me know, do you like this video? Is it kind of fun to look and play along with the AI generated? I actually have 2 more looks that I really liked, and I have a few pieces coming from them. So if you're interested, I'll do another video recreating some more of the AI looks if this is kind of something that you would like to see. It's fun to play around. I'm just having so much fun at doing this video here, just kind of playing around with it. It's kind of like recreating the Pinterest, but now you're recreating the AI images. So let me know if you like this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, you guys, and let me know in the comments if you liked either of these outfits, if you thought they were realistic. And then also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button because I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.